There's a tornado less than a mile from our house beginning to come down. I'll try to zoom in on it a little bit. It's not a big one, but nonetheless, it is a tornado. And that sucker dipped right out of the clouds and it's headed down in its typical tornado fashion. Wow, these are pretty rare out here. It's definitely trying to touch the ground. I can see it. See if my billy goat don't butt me. Yeah, that's a tornado. How about that? I wanted to get it on the film, on video. Billy, don't butt me. There it is, right there. It's headed towards the dump, which isn't very far away from us. But it is definitely a tornado. My billy goat's trying to butt me. And there it is.